Roasted corn and rainy season go hand in hand, and corn being the most versatile ingredient can be made in many different ways. Today, I'm going to show you a simple corn salad with a unique dressing. In this bowl, I'm going to mix a few vegetables, 1 small cucumber chopped, half an onion chopped, half a capsicum chopped, half a yellow capsicum chopped, carrot, about 10 to 12 cherry tomatoes cut into half, 1 cup of boiled yellow corn, a few lettuce leaves, just roughly tear them. I also have some baby spinach here that I'm going to add to the salad. If the leaves are too big, you can tear them into half. I'm just going to toss all these vegetables together. The vegetables are nicely mixed, and now I'm going to keep this on the side and make a dressing for this. In this bowl, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1½ tablespoon honey, juice of half a lemon, 1 clove of garlic grated, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of Chat Masala, salt to taste. And now I'm going to whisk all these ingredients together. Whisk this for at least 2 minutes. The dressing is ready, and now I'm going to mix it with the salad. Into the salad bowl, pour a little bit of the dressing. Very lightly toss it up. This needs a little more dressing. That should be good. And now the final toss. Let's remove the salad in the serving bowl. And now I'm going to garnish this salad with some blackberries and some cranberries. These are some blackberries and a few cranberries as well. These add a nice sweet and sour taste to the salad. Also, some sesame seeds. You can even add pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, or any other kinds of seeds that you have. A few fresh ingredients and a simple dressing, and you can quickly fix up a meal for yourself. Especially for the ones who find salads boring, I'm sure they're going to love this. So do try this at home, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.